So in part 1, we learned how to create session, how to create a cart and add items to the cart. Now let us continue from there. Here if you see my screen, I have doGet method which takes the action request.get parameter action. Now what I'm going to do is, once again I need to write the statement request.get session and assign it to HTTP session. Now in this case what happens? Here the session will not be created but the session will be retrieved. The session which we created while adding the item, that session will be retrieved. Once I have this session object, using session object I can say get attribute cart. Even cart we had created previously while adding items to the cart. So the same cart will be retrieved in the same session and it will be assigned to a reference of cart. Now I'm going to check whether user has selected view or whether he has selected checkout. If user has selected view, then I'm going to check if cart is null. Then I'm going to say cart empty. Else it will print the cart out.print cart and I'll break it. If user selects checkout, I'm going to invalidate the session. I don't require the session anymore. I'm done adding the items and viewing the cart. So I want to check out. So I will say session dot invalidate. This closes the session or invalidates the session. Then I'm going to say cart dot clear. Now let us run this program and see the output. I'm running the server. So this is my output. Now let me run this in the browser. So here I have some items. I'm going to select this item. I'm going to add. I'm going to select one more item. I'm going to add. Now when I click on view cart, I can see that these two items have been added. Now I'll go back. I'll select checkout. Again go back and select view cart. Now it says cart is empty. Now if I add one more, say add view cart, again it has got added. So what is happening here is the first time when user is selecting an item and adding to the cart, cart is created and it keeps on adding items selected by the user. Then view cart will retrieve the same cart in the same session and it will display the content of the cart. Then when I say checkout, it clears the cart and as well as clears the session. So this is my program. This is how I'm doing. Please take a look at this program. Please execute it. Any queries? Please write your comments or subscribe to my channel to get more videos on more topics. Thank you.